It's a word that we Christians use this time of year. But what does it mean? It's not that stuff that you find in your dryer after a load has run. Lent is a season of preparation. Lent is a season when we get ready to celebrate Easter, to tell the story of Christ journeying to Jerusalem, dying on a cross, being raised from the dead so that we can find life. We take time to prepare ourselves through prayer, scripture reading, working on our faith through all sorts of spiritual disciplines, so that as we journey towards Easter, as we tell the story of the journey of Jesus to the cross, we may also journey to God together. This Lent at Haymarket Church, we are journeying together towards Jesus. We're going to talk about our journeys of faith. We're going to talk about the journeys of our lives, and we're going to talk about how all of those connect us to the journey that Jesus took and how that journey transforms the world. So I hope you'll join us for worship. I hope you'll join us weekly on Thursday nights for Bible studies for all ages. I hope that you will take time to take Lent seriously, because if you do, you may just meet God again. Hope to see you there.